What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jeff Benjamin with iDownload Blog. I want to show you OS Experience, the setup process for OS Experience, because I just installed it. Well, actually, I installed it a while ago, but here it is. Here is OS Experience. This is what happens. This is what you see once you launch your device after installing OS Experience. So this is me launching the iPad the first time after I respring after the install. And it gives you a little walkthrough showing you how to use the tweak. For instance, minimizing the window. It tells you how to do that, just like that. And then it asks you to rotate the device like that. And then to snap the app, you just drag it over in the corner. And this is really my favorite part of it, snapping apps. And then, of course, you can hold the arrows in the upper right-hand corner to rotate and to expand the snapping and reposition the snapping. And then he gives a nice little homage, or he pays homage to the other developers that have helped him along the way. Yeah, so it's a pretty interesting little setup. I don't think I've ever seen a setup this in-depth, or this, I guess, cinematic would be a good term for it, wouldn't it? But yeah, so that is OS Experience, the setup process. Now I'm going to show you actually using OS Experience. This is, of course, the final version that's out in Cydia right now. And I'm going to show you how you can swipe down, get the little bar at the top, and then resize it, just like that. And then snap this window, which is my favorite little awesome feature, just like that. And then once you snap the window, you can open another application. So I'm going to launch TweetBot here, swipe down with 4 fingers, tap the little button in the upper right-hand corner, and then I'm going to snap that on the right side of this screen. So I have 2 windows basically, side by side. I can browse those at the same exact time. I can scroll on them, interact with them at the same time. And yeah, basically using 2 apps side by side right there on the iPad with OS Experience. That's a really, really cool little option there that OS Experience brings to the table. Obviously, you cannot do this with a stock iOS device or a stock iPad, but you can if you install this awesome jailbreak tweak. Now, with all that being said, though, I still reiterated in my post on iDownload Blog that I don't know how much benefit this is actually going to bring to your average jailbreak user. Maybe it will. Maybe you do see a lot of benefit in this. I certainly see some benefit, but I just don't know if it's too big of a departure from standard iOS that it'll make it almost like just too big of a change. You know what I mean? It's a really big change. You have basically like mission control from OS X right here on your iOS device, right here on your iPad. And that takes a little bit of getting used to. There is a pretty steep learning curve. I mean, it's not hard to use or anything like that, but it's going to take some time to get used to using your iPad in this way. So this is OS Experience, ladies and gentlemen. It is $9.99 on Cydia's Big Boss repo. It's available for download right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.